Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add websites as a custom shortcut icons on your home screen in OPPO A38. And to do this, we'll need to launch our Google Chrome. I'm not sure if this feature is supported by other browsers, so I will stick with that. Then open whichever website you want to add to your home screen and make sure that it's opened all the time. Now click on the arrow pointing up or three dots that you see in the top right corner of the screen and then select Add to Home Screen. Now you'll be able to rename your icon however you like. When you're ready, select Add, Add again, and then go back to your home screen. Now the new icon should pop up. You can click on it to open this website instantly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.